Hi guys, another charity shop find. Cost me £1. I had to buy it because I was looking at it in the shop trying to figure out whether it actually does anything, because it's got replacement wheels, got a little spanner for doing it with, it's got a rubber band there, connecting the back axle to here. But I can't see any motor or anything. That doesn't appear to do anything. And it's got this bit of foam around here for some reason. It looks like it's worn out. It's got little screws holding it together. Got a disc brake there. And it looks to me like it's just one of those very detailed toys. It's got steering that turns the steering wheel. Or if we do that the other way, the steering wheel turns the steering. But I had to buy it just in case it had an electric motor in it. I mean, now that I've got it home, I can see it hasn't. So if the camera's picking that up. 2000 toy things. Missing a couple of screws. It just seems incredibly detailed and dusty for something that actually doesn't do anything. Well, it is a lovely little model, isn't it? Lots of detail on it. So what we got? Birel or Birel, Co, 40F, K&N, Co Parts Unlimited. Yes, it's a lovely little toy. But it doesn't actually do anything. It's quite heavy as well. It's obviously got some cast metal pieces in there, although that main chassis is plastic. Yeah, I've got to say I'm a little bit disappointed now that I'm actually looking at it close, because I did think it might have had a motor hidden in there somewhere. And I was going to take it apart and have a look, but no, there's no motor in there. That gear there doesn't even turn. Yep, so there we go, that cost me £1. Lovely little scale go-kart with bits. I should probably donate that back to a charity shop. There's no point in trying to motorise that. Just before we put it away, I did say it was missing a couple of screws down here. It's not, those are rivets. So even undoing those screws, I can't get it apart because that's riveted in place.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.